Good afternoon. My name is Raphael Hyde. This is my colleague David Matoyer. We are both part of the product development team of Daylight Solutions. With last year's Innovation Challenger Awards, Daylight Solutions took an idea, which was called the Twig-Light, and brought it into a functional product which is efficient, reliable, and sustainable. The Twig-Light is essentially a product which utilizes the wasted heat from cooking embers in the developing world all around the globe. Essentially right here before you, you can see that the Twig-Light has been manufactured of aluminum. It uses the canister on the top of the Twig-Light where a heat source is placed and then a water source is poured into the container right here. The Twig-Light strategic design has utilized all of the packaging using the lid as a lampshade and the bottom packaging as a container to hold the water source to actually create the electricity from this device. Daylight Solutions, through our research, has discovered that the entire world of the developing world is of about 3 billion people. 500 million of those people utilize cell phones to stimulate business, their education, and communicate with the outside world. We figured, well, this is a huge marketplace. People are using cell phones. How do they charge their phones? They travel up to miles a day and pay up to 15 to 25% of their income to charge a cell phone. Cell phones are a huge demand, and we see this as a great opportunity. And with the Twig-Light, we are intending to develop a cell phone charging unit, which is completely remote, sustainable, and can be used by our consumers in the bottom of the pyramid. Currently, our team, Daylight Solutions, has done several market tests in Ghana, Africa over the past few years, and in trips going over there and actually meeting villagers and building contacts in the area. And through our research and surveys, our consumers absolutely adore our product, the Twig-Light. But the biggest concern is they have is, can you charge a cell phone with this? And we say, yes, we can. With an investment of $10,000, we'll be able to fully develop a cell phone charging unit by hiring an electrical engineer, as well as covering the prototyping costs of other Twig-Lights and cell phone charging devices, which we intend to take to Africa to test this summer. Daylight Solutions is built of several talented people, including the areas of business, design, engineering, social science, and sustainability. We're also partnered with a program called Global Resolve at ASU here, which main idea is to stimulate social impact entrepreneurship worldwide. Daylight Solutions came back here last year and had the idea of the Twig-Light. We got the funding, we created the product, and now we're back again. So please help us with an investment of $10,000 we provide to bring the world an impactful and reliable system. Also, our business model is relying on the fact that our manufacturing will be done locally in the villages in Africa. Our distribution markets are happening in the same places. We intend to empower villagers by hiring them, giving them jobs, and promoting local economy. And the cycle is full. Also, our research and our feedback is also on the ground in Africa currently. So with an investment of $10,000, we intend to develop a cell phone charger and do so much more with the potential of the product in the future. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. In fact, the Ghanaian women, there have been studies that show that women in developing countries are actually more responsible. They feel that there's a closer connection to the community, and they're not as likely to not make a payment or actually leave the village, because that is a concern. There's a lot of people go into the urban districts and completely abandon those villages that we need. So you're absolutely correct. Women entrepreneurs are probably our most fundamentally rooted partner in Ghana.
What are the costs of this, and do you have a microfinancing sort of mechanism in there?
Absolutely. Microfinancing we're looking into right now as to whether or not we want to pursue that route. The problem with microfinancing, especially in the developing world, is that rates can be as high as 30%. And being a social innovation, social entrepreneurship company, that doesn't quite taste well to us. So we're investigating that in terms of whether or not we're going to go there. But it costs us $14 to make the product. We've asked what would it be worth to villagers and to customers over there, and we've heard as high as $50, but that assumes microfinancing is available. We've set the price around $22, with the understanding that 15% or $15 a month, they make $2 a day roughly, 25% of that, or $15, goes toward lighting utilities. So the ROI is less than 2 months, and that to us, the product has a lifespan of 3 to 5 years. So you could, within that time, you could save a year's salary. It sounds pretty crazy, but yeah. So, yes.
Is the product going to be the other product? Is it going to be connected to that, or
Yeah.
completely separate?
Yeah. What happens is it's right here. These disconnect, and it's actually a USB charging component. It's just a voltage regulator is applied here, and it can charge a modern Nokia handset.
So it's either
Stop.
micro,